Quality construction. Knife is crafted with one-piece high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and long-lasting sharpness. Superior design. Built to last, ergonomic handle with textured finger points offers a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. Best use. The teeth on the wavy edge of the knife's blade easily slice through food's crust or skin without tearing the soft inside. Ideal for slicing bread, angel food cake, meatloaf, fruits, and tomatoes. Easy care. To maximize the performance and longevity of your Mercer knife, carefully wash cutlery by hand after each use with warm water and mild soap. Rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. Do not place in dishwasher or submerge for long periods of time. Mercer Culinary Millennia series. Innovative features and unparalleled performance to meet the demands of today's professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. With unparalleled performance, Millennia knives are designed with innovative features to meet the demands of today's professional chefs. Top reviews from the United States. This knife works. I bake bread. That said, I like the length, and most of all I like that it is right-handed with the cutting edge on the right. The flat side of the blade is without a bevel, and the right-hand side is with all the nastiness of gouging and cutting and all that, like it should be. I would recommend this to anyone who bakes their own bread, or eats bread, as it will cleave and carve the most stubborn loaf into submission.